Are you ready to take the plunge and start your own home-based business in 2024? With the rise of remote work and the increasing popularity of online shopping, there has never been a better time to pursue your entrepreneurial dreams from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, escape the traditional 9-to-5 grind, or fulfill a passion, starting a home-based business can be a rewarding and flexible endeavor. The first step in starting a home-based business in 2024 is to identify a viable business idea. Consider your skills,
interests, and the needs of the market.
when brainstorming potential business concepts. Do you excel at graphic design, writing, or photography? Are you passionate about handmade crafts, healthy cooking, or fitness coaching? Research current trends and consumer demands to ensure that your business idea has the potential to succeed in today's market. Once you have a solid business idea, it's time to create a business plan. This plan will serve as your roadmap, outlining the structure, goals, and strategies for your home-based business. It should include a thorough market analysis, a description of your products or services, a marketing and sales plan, and a financial projection. A well-crafted business plan will not only guide your business decisions, but will also be essential if you need to secure financing or attract potential partners or investors. Next, you'll need to consider the legal and logistical aspects of starting a home-based business. Research the legal requirements for operating a business from your home, such as zoning regulations, permits, and licenses. Additionally, consider the practicalities of setting up a home office or workspace, including equipment, technology, and communication tools. It's important to create a professional and efficient environment that will support your business endeavors. With the groundwork laid, you can then focus on branding and marketing your home-based business. Develop a strong brand identity, including a memorable business name, logo, and overall aesthetic that reflects your business values and appeals to your target audience. Utilize digital marketing strategies, such as social media, content marketing, and search engine optimization to promote your business and attract customers. Building a strong online presence will be crucial to reaching your audience in 2024. As you launch your home-based business, it's important to stay adaptable and open to change. Keep up with industry trends, listen to customer feedback, and be willing to evolve your business strategies as needed. The landscape of home-based businesses is constantly evolving, and staying innovative and responsive will help you stay competitive and relevant in 2024 and beyond. In conclusion, starting a home-based business in 2024 is an exciting opportunity to pursue your entrepreneurial ambitions and take control of your career. By identifying a strong business idea, creating a comprehensive business plan, addressing legal and logistical considerations, and implementing effective branding and marketing strategies, you can lay the foundation for a successful home-based business. With dedication, creativity, and perseverance, the possibilities for entrepreneurship from home are endless in 2024.